you guys to take advantage of repairing your credit right now and take advantage of the primaries that we give you. Us educators and motivators, where we give you, good advice. Stop being cheap and pay for it now because the cost of these things are going up by the day. It's about to be really unaffordable for you guys to repair your credit. That's what I always say. It costs too much to be broke. At the very least, grab that ebook. Ebook is $5. You can at least start with the ebook. And if you don't have the willpower to start, so you should pay somebody. But don't be so cheap and brave that you're not even willing to pay nobody to become financially fit. Ooh, hot. So, if you're not willing to do this by yourself, pay somebody to do it, but get it done by all means. Make sure you're responsible enough to view your problem and see what the solution to your problem is and act upon what you think can be the solution to better yourself. Hope you like